This presentation is about a PhD dissertation, of which title is Economic Structure of the Roman Imperial Colony of Parleis and its surrounding. Parleis is the modern town of Barla, on the west shore of Eğirdir Lake, in the Pisidia region. The geographical scope of the dissertation comprises of two scales, macro-regional and micro-regional. In the northern Pisidia, Eğirdir Lake and its surrounding have been defined as macro-region, and the city of Parleis as micro-region. The obtained data, while the study focuses on Parleis on a micro-region scale, will be compared with the macro-regional scale. It is well known that during the Roman imperial period, some of the cities were selected for settlement of Roman veteran soldiers in the Galatia province, founded by Augustus. During this period, Parleis must have been colonized by veterans. From the ancient sources, we have limited information available on the city of Parleis. In the 19th century, the first subject of discussion about the city's location. First, Arundel suggested that Barla could be Parleis. Then it was confirmed with a border inscription founded by Robert. Another point, the debate about the city is whether or not it was among the Roman imperial colonial cities or it was important as a colony. In this respect, the literature has dominated by Barbara Levick's idea. That is, Parleis was the smallest one and less important among the Roman imperial colonies. On the other hand, there has been no archaeological excavation. Besides, the surveys are limited in the city. Since 2012, a survey project has been carried out around Eğirdir surrounding by Fikret Özcan. According to this study, the city needs to be reviewed in particular and systematic. Since the 19th century, significant research and serious discussion have been going on about the ancient economy. Between 16th to 18th, according to Hopkins, this field like an academic battleground. In the 19th, some archaeologists and archaeological approach arise, and significant studies have emerged for this field. These discussions have been reviewed to determine the theoretical framework of this project. This dissertation will discuss not only integrate ancient economic approach, but also archaeological perspectives. At the beginning of the research question is that, how was the economic structure of Parleis and its surrounding during the Roman imperial period? The second one is, why Parleis was elevated among the Roman imperial colonies? Another question are about with an elevation of the city as a colony. These questions have sub-questions for its economic, political, environmental, and social conditions. This dissertation aims to make a comparative analysis of understanding, explanation, and interpretation of the archaeological and economic structure of Parleis and its surrounding during the Roman imperial period. Methodology. First, evaluation of ancient sources, modern literature, and epigraphic documents. Second, numismatic documentation and statistic analysis. Third, systematic archaeological survey. Fourth, spectral data collection and analysis method will be used. In this picture, you can see the data collection, analysis, and evaluation system. To compare two regional scales, various disciplines data will be built and integrate catalog, quantitative and qualitative analysis, and evaluation. The table shows the chapters and main titles of the dissertation and the related study plan. This dissertation is important because it is significant to understand and explain the economic structure of the region, that there has not been a comparative study on the Parleis and surrounding in the field of archaeology and ancient economic history. Original value is that instead of reaching generation for Pisidia region, the economic models will be constructed on a micro-regional scale. For the first time, different approach, methods, and models will be applied to these dissertations research question. This makes the dissertation will be unique. Thanks for patience.